29 nations journeyed from their homelands to Manchester, England, for the Federation of International Lacrosse World Championships. From first-time players to wily veterans, each individual here is united in a singular purpose to represent his country. As the tournament nears its end, Lacrosse Magazine presents the sights and sounds of the 2010 World Games. Their 10-day journey will be complete Saturday, their destinies fulfilled. In the end, they will have left an indelible mark on lacrosse, the sport's globalization more evident than ever before.